So this is the car in question. It's basically a really old Range Rover. So it's one of the really early four doors. You see it's covered in cobwebs and dust. It's been in here for a good 6 months or more now. So I haven't actually started on it yet. It is a really early four door. I think it's an 81 or an 82. As you can see, it's got the old style grille at the front. Now on the side, it's got a Vogue sticker. I'm assuming that's original. You can see the extent of some of the body damage there as well on that door, on that front wing or fender. She's pretty beaten up. So as you can see, it's got the Vogue sticker on the back as well. So it's it's registered as a, I can't remember if it's 81 or 82. It is a four door, it is a Vogue, and that's what's on the logbook with it. But I don't know whether this model is the in Vogue, which they actually didn't make many of. So it'd be great if one of you guys out there with obviously a lot more knowledge would be able to feedback some information about this car, whether it is an in Vogue or whether it is just called a Vogue. So the paintwork is like a metallic blue colour, albeit very faded. It has the stripes on the side, but from reading the information on in Vogue, those stripes are wrong. It should be like a two-tone stripe on here, so a dark one up here, and I think the other one sits a little bit lower, and that's like a lighter grey colour. So that's wrong. In the back, if I can open it, apparently they had a stainless bit of trim on here, which this has got. What it hasn't got the cover for the wheel well there, and obviously the picnic set that sat on the back there. So I'll go this way actually. Inside the car, I think these were pretty much all the same, but usual sort of Land Rover trim in it. Sorry, Range Rover trim. But these seats have this extra kind of bolster that sits on the back here. So I have actually started doing some bits on the car. I haven't really spent a lot of time on it, just a couple of hours. So I've taken down the trim on the roof. That's in a bit of a sorry state and all sagging, so that I've got to get sorted. And I've also opened up some areas just to see how bad the rust is on it. To my surprise, it's incredible condition. These sort of areas here I think these rot out pretty badly, but as I say, you can see it's absolutely fine. All the front inner wings are good on it, which is a bit of a relief. So there's no real big welding work to do on there. The only bit I found really is been a repair in the driver's side front footwell. So I'm not very happy with it, so I'll probably cut that back out and redo it. But say underneath here, if I can open this up, yeah, all these in the wings here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but they're all really good. So that's the kind of first thing I looked at, as you can see there. Assuming they're all original, it doesn't look like it's been unbolted, but you just never know. It's only when you start to delve a bit deeper into it that you actually find, all the issues. But as I say, it all looks incredibly tidy. Front slam panel's good. See the old 3.5 in there, 3.5 litre with the twin carbs on there. Someone's changed it, the Strombergs over to SUs, so I may still go with the SUs. I did get the Strombergs with the car, so I don't know yet whether I'll change back to the Strombergs yet. Yeah. So anyway, any comments on this vehicle, information, that would be absolutely awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Cheers for now.